In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in Trello. Whether you're a Trello veteran or brand new to the tool, you'll find this guide useful to seamlessly integrate contact management into your workflow. So let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process together. First, you want to navigate to your Trello board. Open up Trello and head over to the specific board where you've decided to manage your contacts. Having a dedicated board for this purpose might help keep things organized, especially if you're dealing with a large number of contacts. Once you're on your board, look towards the right corner and click on Power Ups. Think of Power Ups as Trello's way to boost the board's functionality. These mini plugins can turn your boards into truly powerful project management tools. In the Power Ups menu, you'll see an option called Add Power Ups. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. The Add Power Ups section allows you to explore an array of features that can enhance your Trello experience. One of the essential additions for managing contacts is CRMBL, our power up of choice today. Use the search bar in the Add Power Up section to look for CRMBL. Just type it in and it should pop right up on your screen. When you see CRMBL listed among the options, you'll also notice a button marked Add. Click on it to effectively start adding it to your board. But that's not the end of it. You will then need to click Add again to confirm that you want to incorporate CRMBL into your workflow. Trello will initiate the installation process, and soon you'll be one step closer to managing your contacts effortlessly. Once CRMBL is added, an authorization step is necessary. Click Authorize, and when prompted, click Allow. This process ensures that CRMBL has the permissions it needs to function properly within Trello while keeping your information safe and secure. After CRMBL is successfully added and authorized, you can close the CRMBL window and also close the Power Ups menu. It streamlines your view and prepares your board for the next steps. Now give your board a quick refresh. This acts like a reset button that ensures all the new configurations are properly applied. Once refreshed, CRMBL should appear as a clickable option on your board. Start by clicking on CRMBL and you'll see a menu that includes contacts. Click on Contacts to access your contact database or to start creating it from scratch. You can add individual entries by selecting Create Contact, which is a straightforward way to manually enter new connections. Alternatively, if you have an external list of contacts, clicking Import Contacts will allow you to upload them directly into Trello. This option is a huge time saver if you're migrating from another contact management system. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to managing your contacts efficiently within Trello. Give it a try and let the added organization streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.